CAIS was founded in 2009. We are a fintech organization and we're a two-sided marketplace. And what we're trying to do is connect financial advisors and asset managers together to let them transact. Our goal is to automate those processes.
Yeah, so events have become a really big part of the organization. I would say really within the last year. There was no formal event program, no formal event department. Now we've grown it, we're doing about 100 events a year. We launched our summit for the first time in 22. We held it in October of 22. The other way that we're really setting it apart is through these due diligence days that we're hosting, because it's proving that that's really a strong ROI for the firm.
So before we started working with Cvent, we were doing a lot of things by Excel, by Airtable, so we had no track record of what we were doing. By involving Cvent, we were able to really at scale ramp up what we were doing, map everything back into Salesforce to track all of the attendees and who came to the actual events. We're able to manage everything through one system. So we really went from 0 to 60 very fast. So for the summit last year, we used the mobile app. We've also used the surveys, the premium survey tool that gave us a lot of information that we were able to go back to people this year to help actually pay for the event. And I think this year we're going to lean more into the Attendee Hub as well to allow people to manage their sessions and their registration.
We're also adding in the use of the Speaker Resource Center. We're adding in the Exhibitor Resource Center to facilitate and help take some of the manual process off the events end. We used OnArrival at the summit last year. It was an incredible experience. I think when we surveyed, one of the highest rated areas was registration, just because it was so quick and seamless. For our smaller regional events, we also have the Event in a Box kit that we can do some of the badge printing on demand. We're also going to be adding in the NFC technology for the check-in for some of our breakout sessions. I would say the primary area where we're taking the events and activating it through all of our different marketing channels is through the video content. And specifically for our summit, the plan is to have that put onto Attendee Hub and then streamline it through different campaigns. So it's like that continual engagement that's so vital, and having that all flow through Salesforce so that we're able to report on the ROI for all of the events and the different types that we're participating in.
We're using that for the real-time updates into campaigns, creating contacts, updating contacts. Our executive committee, salespeople, everybody's asking for stats on a constant basis. We can just give them real-time data available in Salesforce to go look at everything, and that's all done through the Cvent integration. What else is next for CAIS, especially when it comes with events with Cvent, is just leaning more into the technology. We tried to use parts of HubSpot or other email marketing tools that we had to do what Cvent could have already done. And this year we've totally pivoted and went back to just using Cvent, and it's made everything a lot easier. Absolutely. This year. We had nothing being tracked to having the hundreds of events that we have now.
The industry that we're in, I mean, this isn't a one transaction that you're done. It's a very much a relationship business. So it's been a tremendous partnership. It's a big aspect of the marketing program and a big driver of ROI for the overall firm.